Imagine a future where artificial general intelligence, or AGI, surpasses human intelligence. This advanced AI could think, learn, and solve problems like a human, but at an extraordinary scale. AGI promises breakthroughs that could redefine our world in ways we can barely imagine today. From curing complex diseases to solving seemingly impossible problems, AGI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, education, and scientific discovery. It could develop new treatments, personalize learning, and unlock innovations that transform everyday life, making the impossible possible. But with this power comes serious questions. Who will control AGI? Could it replace millions of jobs? What happens if AI makes decisions beyond human understanding? These concerns demand careful attention as experts work tirelessly to keep AI safe and aligned with human values. The future is not humans versus AI. It's about collaboration and ensuring that AGI develops safely and ethically. The choices we make today will determine how AI benefits humanity and shapes our shared destiny. Would you trust a superintelligent AI with our future? Subscribe to Future Mind for more insights on the incredible journey ahead.